These no-bake carrot cake cups take 15 minutes to make and are made with 100% whole foods. They're stuffed with the cashew icing and are made completely in a blender. Just add your ingredients into your high-speed blender or food processor and blend until everything comes together. Divide into 7 muffin tins, then make a little hole in the center. Next, make a cashew icing. You'll need cashews, plant milk, dates, vanilla, and salt. Blend until smooth, then divide your icing over your carrot cake cups. Top with some crushed walnuts, then let them sit in the freezer for a few hours to firm up. These are so delicious, you'll have no idea they're vegan and dairy.